Okay, so what happened is an app got on here and we had to start the video all over, but we already have some of our ingredients on, and it was glue, and yeah, so you're gonna have to do the intro again. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So technical difficulties. If you haven't done it, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up,
and turn on the notification.
And don't miss out on our video. And we're gonna probably do shout outs if we have any people like that. And oh yeah, so our technical difficulties happened, so we have to just
start all over.
And we already have part of our slime, so I think I already said that.
Let's just work.
I'm gonna add some shaving cream.
They let this look fluffy. Mine doesn't look kind of good. And a little bit of dye in it. Oh my god.
Wait, where's the gallon of blue slime? Where's the gallon? Oh.
Daddy, does it have a little bit?
So I'm just gonna mix it. The shaving cream.
Mine is almost complete.
Where's the food coloring?
Where's the activator?
God, it's like just stop. We're gonna add some lotion.
Wait, what? How that make it? I'm gonna ask you. That's it.
Slime is tiring.
Oh, that's too much.
Let me put a little bit more lotion.
Put my hat on it.
And we're gonna put a little bit of foam, so we're gonna put 10 squirts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But since mine's a big batch, we're gonna do 20.
Oh my god.
We're just gonna go for it. How many do you want?
This one. 5 dots. 5 pairs.
Okay, so it's just foam soap. Make it thick, but y'all can't be adding too much stuff because I don't know how your friends gonna make it.
I know, but yeah. Feel mine?
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my hand because it's basically mixing right now, and we still have to get the bottom thing and the fourth one.
Oh, me too. I'm gonna put my hands up. I already put mine.
Where's the activator?
Got the cookie. Daddy, you got the activator? He does. No, Junior, you have it. Oh yeah.
Put it up here in front.
What the part was?
It's a big one. So now I'm gonna open my quarantine with one hand because I have the other hand here. Where's the glue at? Oh my god, it's here. I didn't even waste that much. Look. Okay, so
This is good.
my quarantine. Try to open it
Oh my god.
with my mouth.
Oh my god. I'm making my slime already.
Yeah, like some.
Mine's baby blue. Mine's. This is green. Hers is donut then.
I'm making a white.
Oh. He's making white. Yum.
Like the white bowl?
Luego you bring it back. Okay, I need it.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my 2 hands in.
I already put my 2 hands in.
So I need more activator.
I'm gonna need more activators because I mixed it. You gotta make it.
Slurpee.
Yours is almost done too. Mine was almost done. But look how it came out. What the sign that is. George! Why? You were trying to put your head in the slime. And this is how my hands look. The slime. Look at his slime. He's right here. Not right here. They up on there.
We've been mixing for a while.
I can put an activator on mine.
And mine?
Keep
on mixing.
Ollie, are you doing the activator? Put an activator on mine. Put activator on mine.
No, on mine. Where's the activator? It's spitting all over the carpet. Okay.